This is one of my favorite moments in Avatar, when Uncle Iroh was teaching Zuko how to generate lightning.
Only a select few firebenders can separate these energies.
Seeing this, Zuko was so excited to try it and finally surpass his sister Azula. But it didn't end well because Zuko was a complete emotional mess. It kept exploding in his own face. Iroh knew that pushing Zuko to keep trying was extremely dangerous, so Iroh decided to teach him a technique he invented himself by studying the movements of waterbenders.
I will teach you a firebending move that even Azula doesn't know.
He thought it'd better suit Zuko, since it didn't require the mental clarity needed for lightning generation. Then Zuko learned the movements for redirection, so he demanded that Iroh shoot lightning at him so he could practice. But Iroh refused to do it.
I'm ready to try with real lightning.
What, are you crazy? Lightning is very dangerous.
It's because Iroh already lost his son, Luten. Since lightning is so dangerous, he couldn't risk losing another son with his own hands. This shows that Iroh genuinely loves Zuko like his own child.